Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about what is NAS reactions. NAS, nucleophilic aromatic substitutions. A nucleophilic aromatic substitution is substitution reactions in organic chemistry in which the nucleophile displaces a good leaving group such as a halide on an aromatic ring. Nucleophilic aromatic substitution reactions can follow two very different paths: the bimolecular displacement mechanism for activated aryl halides and elimination additions mechanism which involve the remarkable intermediate called benzene. You can see X for halogen and R for electron withdrawing groups. So X is replaced by nucleophile. Now mechanism of NAS reactions: elimination addition mechanism, addition eliminations mechanism. You can see the substrates Cl and para position NO2 electron withdrawing group, OH minus attack on Cl containing carbon and double bond become the single bonds, and then it shows the resonance. You can see here OH minus attack on the carbon and double bond replaced and negative charge on nitrogen containing carbon. It is resonance stabilized and sigma complex, that is resonance stabilized. You can see the sigma complex resonance stabilized. You can see the phenol which is deprotonated become the basic. Now eliminations addition mechanism. Substituted halobenzenes on treatment with strong bases under harsh conditions lead to products formed by the nucleophilic aromatic substitution reaction. But products could spring some surprises, that is, position of substitution does not necessarily correspond to the carbon atom from which the leaving group departs. In other words, in cases we see the formation of regioisomeric products. You can see here NOH react with chloro derivatives and forming replaced by the OH, and then you can see at meta positions CH3 and Cl react with sodium amide forming three products: ortho with respect to NH2, meta with respect to NH2, and para with respect to NH2. So these reactions cannot be adequately explained by addition eliminations mechanism. After several studies, it was proposed that these reactions involve initial elimination of HX by a strong base. The intermediate thus formed contains a triple bond within the benzene and is called benzene. This is very unstable intermediate and readily undergo additions of nucleophile base in a second step. This addition can take place at either end of the triple bonds, and after subsequent protonations leads to products mixtures absorbed. You can see parachlorotoluene react with HCl forming 4-methyl benzene, and then plus OH minus attack on these ipso positions or syn substitutions. This another examples. If it is a meta positions, then again syn substitutions and ipso substitutions. Now evidence. Evidence for this mechanism is reactions of 2,6-dimethyl cyclobenzene, dimethylchlorobenzene with sodium amide in liquid ammonia. No substitution is observed in this reaction, obviously because there are no hydrogen atom beta to the chlorine for the initial elimination steps. So you can see here this reaction is not happens. Another further support was obtained by the trapping the benzene intermediate in Diels-Alder reaction. For detailed discuss of Diels-Alder reactions, see the pericyclic reactions. So phenylations. Reaction involved benzene can be useful for the elimination formation of carbon-carbon bond to a phenyl group. For example, if acetoacetic acid is treated with bromobenzene and 2 molar equivalent of the sodium amide, phenylation of acetoacetic acid can occur. So you can see ethyl acetoacetate with bromobenzenes forming these products. Reactions conditions. The reaction condition that we looked at so far involve use of a strong bases which could also act as nucleophiles and add to benzene forming substitution product. One can generate benzenes without having to resort to strong bases. This follows us to use non-basic nucleophile to be added to the intermediate benzene. Example, the thermal decomposition of diazonium salt derived from 2-aminobenzoic acid and thranilic acid lead to the formation of benzene which undergo additions of methanol to form anisole. In this reaction, phenylnitrile, amyl nitrile is used to prepare the diazonium salt. In thranilic acid, amyl nitrates forming these products, and you can see the eliminations occurs forming benzene, and then additions occurs, then formation of anisole. So friends, addition eliminations mechanisms. Consider the reactions of an amine with chlorobenzene or nitro-substituted chlorobenzene. Here the reaction takes place with the substituted chlorobenzene readily, whereas undergoes similar conditions. The chlorobenzene itself is unreactive. The nitro group clearly influences the rate of the reactions. In similar manner, it was observed that the electron withdrawing groups such as CN and CO facilitated the substitution reactions. This is chlorobenzene react with CH3NH2 excess, no reactions, but if NO2 group at para positions, it gives the products, and if you have 2 NO2 group, it gives the products. Now, what is the mechanism? These observations suggest that electron withdrawing group lower the energy of activations of stabilizing the negative charge developed as the nucleophile adds to the aromatic ring. One can write a series of resonating structure for the cyclohexadienyl anion generated after the additions of the nucleophile to the aromatic system. Finally, loss of chlorine completes the substitution process. This mechanism is parallel to the one which we studied for the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. You can see methylamine attack on carbon and shifting of double bonds to single bond. Now it is resonance stabilized and forming para-nitro substituted anilines. Kinetics of the reactions. Kinetics studies demonstrate that these reactions are second order, first order in nucleophile and first order in the aromatic substrate. The formation of the additions intermediate is the rate determining step in these reactions. Now, order of reactivity. A further proof for this argument comes from the fact that the order of reactivity for halogen is fluorine greater than chlorine greater than bromine greater than iodine, and not the reverse of this. based on their leaving group ability. This order clearly suggests that stronger bond dipoles associated with the more electronegative atom favor the addition step, thus lower the energy of the activation of the nucleophilic addition step, which is the RDS. Evidence for the mechanism. The most convincing evidence that nucleophilic addition is a reasonable initial step was provided by the isolations of stable adducts from the potassium ethoxide and the methyl ether of 2,4,6-trinitrophenol picric acid, which is called a mesenhymer complex. You can see OMe at 1-methoxy-2,4,6-trinitrobenzene methyl picriate react with ethyl ethoxide potassium ethoxide forming mesenhymer complex. So this is the reference. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.